Although you're well on your way to grow your floral business using Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, Pinterest is a compelling add-on to the marketing mix as it has the potential to grow your wedding business. If you're a veteran florist offering wedding services, you already know this. Given the stream of brides coming into the shop ready to show off their boards and pins of their dream wedding. But you know what? Although weddings are a big reason to use it, I believe there is more opportunity for marketing with Pinterest. As you'll discover, Pinterest users overwhelmingly use the platform to gather ideas for all of their life events. By using this platform, you have the opportunity to include flowers as part of every one of these life celebrations. Let's start by talking about a few stats about the platform. As of 2019, 78% of Pinterest users are female, although the male audience share also has increased over time from 14% in 2013 to 20% in 2019. Among these women users, 83% are aged 25 to 54. So if you're marketing to millennials and Gen X users, that's great. Overall, users are wealthy and very educated. More than 39% of Pinterest users live in households of more than 75,000 annually, and 40% of users have some sort of college education. Like the other social media we've discussed, content is consumed mostly using mobile devices. With such a large segment of users being millennials on mobile, this platform can become a key tool to build brand among the present and future shoppers.